Welcome. In this video, we will explore assemble methods and bagging with decision trees. Assemble method combines multiple models to create a strong predictive model. They reduces error by averaging out biasness and variance of individual models. Rather than relying on a single model, assemble method aggregates the prediction of several models to make a final decision. Bagging, short for a bootstrap aggregation, involves creating multiple subset of a data from the original dataset with replacement. Decision trees are used in a bagging to create a diverse model. By averaging the predictions of multiple decision trees, bagging reduces the overall error rate and leading to more accurate prediction. Random forests are an extension of a bagging where each tree is trained on a random subset of a data and features. They further enhance model accuracy. Imagine you have a medical condition. You consult three doctors. One diagnose a tumor, but two says there is no tumor. The majority vote is no tumor. Similarly, in assemble training, three models analyze the data. One predicts a tumor, but two predicts no tumor. The majority vote is no tumor. In summary, bagging is a powerful assemble method that leverages multiple decision trees to enhance prediction accuracy. Thank you for watching.